back, everybody. Hi. I have another unboxing. I'm not sure where this is from. I'm pretty sure I got this off at AliExpress, but I will double check and put all the information down in the comments. So here we have our toolkit with our wax. We have our drill pin with the finger grip. We do have a multi-placer. It is a 4-placer, and we have our nice metal, sharp, pointy tweezers. Check those out. Nice and pointy. You got to be careful with these, especially around your children. And we do have a 10-placer and a nice size tray. It has no spout. Good size tray. Once I open up, I'll probably know where I got it from. So we're going to be surprised, just like everybody, just like you. So it does come shrink wrapped. It is a 60 by 45 colors. Yes, I did not get this from AliExpress. I did get this from Amazon. There we have our little outdoorsy cabin. So yes, this did come from Amazon. Did take quite some time to get this one. So I will link everything down below. Here we have our legend on the right side. Oop, it is taped. Some have said that they don't like the tape, but I rather have the tape than the rubber bands or the acrylic bands. Okay. Yes, it can be a pain, but I'll go in the trash. So here is our legend. It is quite small, but there's quite a bit of letters. It does come with your quantity. It comes with your DMC code. So here we have, I'm going to get you in closer to check out this legend. It is quite small, yes. We have letters, numbers, a few symbols. This is my second canvas from this company. I do believe my other canvas from this company is what I ordered. It does come with a foam roller too. I forgot about that. See, here it comes with a foam roller. I ordered my, I can't remember what the other canvas was that I ordered from this company. But they had the two where you can get the two together. And it is a Huacan. I just seen the Huacan in the top left corner, as you can see here. It does come with the white opaque paper, 2 pieces. So this one, there's no, I don't feel no bubbling. I'm just putting a little bit of pressure to get it to lay down. Okay, so we're going to just check out our sticky and our drill field real quick. Oh, no, I was wrong. It comes in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strips with a small, tiny strip. Okay, because this is about the size I work on anyways. So here we have our swan right off the bat. It is pretty sticky, and the glue does go outside the drill area quite far, probably a good inch. So the drill fill, I can see it pretty good. So they do have a pretty nice quality, even though it is a Huacan. So I've had some good, some bad with Huacan. Well, I guess it's just who you purchase from is where where I get that. So I've ordered from different companies, Amazon, AliExpress, and they've come labeled Huacan, and some were good, some were not so good. So it is a hit and miss. Maybe they are getting better. So here we have our little thumbnail. We only have the one legend on the right. So I'm just going to flip over real quick. I will put a picture on the screen. Well, that's not going to work. I'd rather have it rolled up and then so don't get any bubbles or rivers. Take a look at these drills. They are individual bagged. And they are labeled with your DMC and your quantity right on the bag. Zoom in. Oh yeah, so we have our legend number, our DMC number, and your quantity. So you can actually work right out of the bag with this one. I do believe I ordered my drills and chills from this company off Amazon. It's either that one or it's just the picture I liked. Or my Christmas in July painting. It could have came from the same company. Nice pink. Okay, we have a red one. Nice, like a cranberry red. Nice pink. Okay, I'm going to position the camera differently so maybe it helps on the glare. That seems to give it a little bit better. Nice big bag of brown. We have gray. You have a partier in there. A couple more. We have a nice dark blue, 823. Green. Have a yellow. Like a minty green. Another yellow. And have a green again. There's a square. Another light green. Just taking a good look at the drills. You have a blue, like a grayish blue. We have like a light minty white, minty green. Got another shade of green. Light brown. Pink, like a salmon color. Blue. Another green. Baby blue. Purple, like a light lilac purple. We have gray. Whoop. We got, this is 3866. It's like a really faint, really faint khaki color, I guess you would call it. Off-white. I have green. Again, be a lot of green. Another green. And another one. And a grayish green. Light yellow. With the buddy. Some more green. 3 10s. Those don't look too bad. Maybe the drills maybe came from another company. If they came from Huacan, maybe they did straighten out their situation that they had. We got a little pink friend on our green. Got our lime green, neon green. And our last green with our little buddy, again, partying over here. We have another one in there. We have our 550. Just taking a really good look, quality check on these drills. I'm sure you don't mind those dipples. Are nothing to worry about. It's not going to cause your drills to pop. If they are concaved, they will. We have another blue. This one looks like an icy blue. We have our light pink, baby girl pink. We have our 3865, which is a white. It's not bright white, but it's a white. And we have this is our bright white, 5200, B5200. The pure white. With a couple extras in there. I'm just going to go ahead and time lapse while I count the bags. Okay, all our drills are there, all 45 colors. I'm just going back to the canvas to double check. It is 45. It did not come with an inventory sheet. Yep, it is 45 colors. So pretty good quality this time. Even though it is a Huacan, I am pretty impressed. Maybe one of these days they will go with poured glue and not the cheap two-sided tape. If they do, I'm pretty sure they would have more sale, more quality product. Okay, so there you have. We have our Amazon unboxing. I will leave the store name and the link to the diamond painting down in the description, along with the price. It did come from Amazon Prime. So thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video.